Alright, so I'm going to show you guys how to make a wood logo. The first step that we missed is we got the letters onto the wood. We traced them on there.
I need to get to the middle.
First you get the font online, Word, Publisher, or just any random font page. And you're going to cut it out as small as possible. Sorry I missed some steps on the video, but here's my best. Anyway, I got my little assistant. She's doing all my work.
More pictures, you know?
Nah, I'm just kidding, by the way. But this is the B. So we cut it out really nice. We did a really good job. Alright, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna drill some holes inside what we need to cut. That's how we're gonna get in there. The machine you're seeing, by the way, it's a scroll saw, and it's a Ryobi. It's a pretty decent machine. These little panels right here is Kevlar wood. Bought it all at Home Depot, and what I'm using for the letters is MDF. MDF is basically like a compressed wood material, but it's really easy to cut. Slide, perfect. And then we got the dark walnut stain right here, which we're gonna use to stain the background. And we're gonna try to make it look like a tile, kind of like wood panels, the kind of ones you put on your walls and stuff. So I'm gonna stain each piece of wood, the background of course, very lightly. I don't go too much. Just want to be able to see all details of the wood. Next time, what I recommend is buying fence wood. I know they're like about 99 cents a piece, and that's really gonna save you a lot of money. These boards that I purchased here, man, I kind of messed up on them, but they were like 40 bucks. But I'm not gonna lie, the quality is there. There it is. Stain. Look how pretty that looks. Alright, so as you can see, the holes in the B, I did as many holes as possible just to make it nice and easy. And then get a smooth cut.
What did you say?
See, and I already glued the pieces onto a wood that's gonna hold them in place. And what I did is I tried to make a little gap in between each of them. That way it looks like an actual wood panel, and it gives me space to insert stuff like flowers and whatnot. But here's the whole name done. Going with a solid white. And what I'm going to use to stick it onto the wood is Gorilla Wood Glue, which I find to be the best for glue. So shout me out, Gorilla. I use your products. Let's go, baby. I don't don't know what was going on over there. But here's the flowers that I'm going to use for the project. The way we got the flowers onto the wood, like I said, is we use those gaps and we use little steel wire. We wrap the flowers around with the wire and then you stick the wire through the little gaps. And then what you can do in the back for reinforcement is you can screw in the wire onto the wood in the back panel. Which I believe I will show you in a minute. But if you want to add an extra layer of gloss, I recommend putting some polyurethane, however you want to call it. But I thought it looked perfect like this. You can use this for your room, for nurseries. You know, the possibilities are endless. I hope you guys enjoy this little video I made. If you guys have any questions, let me know. I'll try to answer them. And if you want to learn more about wood cutting, you know, don't be scared to write. Thank you guys so much. Y'all have a good one.